Now let's move on to the next section when we actually have to train models. And I will use also interactive segmentation example and illustrate the case where the model doesn't work out of the box for some reason and what we can do about that. So the task is to train interactive segmentation model to label cracks with masks. And for this example, we will just need two apps, one training app and one serving app. So if we just serve and run serving app and deploy standard model and take a look how it works to label cracks efficiently, we will see that we can put a lot of green dots here and the cracks are still not segmented. And that indicates us that this out-of-the-box model will not work efficiently for this kind of task. And what we need to train these models. And we have the training data like this. What we need is just to run a training app. So we have training data, we run training app, we pick the object that we want to use to train the model. In this case, the objects are cracks. We split our data into training and validation subsets. There are multiple ways to do that. We may pick different augmentation scenarios and visualize them, as well as the backbone for the model, and also some parameters that controls the training process. And finally, we get this kind of dynamics. And when the training is over, what we can do, we can go to team files and find the artifacts that this training app produced. And then we just copy the path to the model and then run serving app. But this time we will not use pre-trained model, but rather we go to custom section here and paste the path to the model. And once we do that, we can run again labeling interface, connect to the model to the model that we have just trained, and it will work in this kind of way. This is way more efficient, and the results look like this. So this example illustrates how we can take out-of-the-box model and train it to work good with the data that we have.